So what do I need to do to prepare my outdoor faucets for freezing temperatures?
For freezing temperatures, this particular one, obviously this one has a pool fill, and there's actually another connection here. Typically you would see a hose on that. You want to disconnect the hose and also disconnect this Y branch, which is connected to your pool fill. And that'll prevent any kind of ice buildup in the line and causing it damage.
Do I need to use one of those faucet covers?
If you want to, that's added protection, but the main thing is taking that hose off.
So what actually happens when the faucet freezes? Does it start leaking?
No, most of the time it does not. What happens is, I will show you here, we have one here available. This is a typical freeze break on an outside faucet. This is identical that was in the wall. So what happened is the ice has migrated in and ruptured the line. The actual shutoff on the handle is back here, stopping that water from leaking into the home. As soon as you engage this faucet, it will start leaking, and you'll notice it water dripping actually down below in the weeping holes of the tile or the stone or brickwork that you have.
So when I first turn on the faucet in the springtime, I guess turn it on really slow?
Yes, and kind of observe the wall and make sure you're not seeing any kind of water seeping through the grout lines or any of the stones.
Okay, and I'd assume the whole faucet has to be replaced at that point?
Yes, at that point is either it may spin out or we actually have to cut into the bricks and access it to do the repair.
Hi, I'm Theron Young, President of Legacy Plumbing. I hope you liked the video that we made for you. If it was valuable or helpful, please do us a favor and let us know by hitting the subscribe button. We'd love to know that we're making a positive impact in others' lives and projects. If you didn't see what you were looking for here, check out our other great resources on our website. It may be just what you need to get your project started right.